Well, if you test positive for COVID-19 and want to take the newer medication for it, it will be easier to get. The FDA says COVID-19 patients no longer need a prescription to get Paxlovid. 5 News reporter Catherine Gilker tells us what this means for people wanting the medication.
Prior to the FDA's announcement Wednesday, you could only get Pfizer's COVID-19 drug Paxlovid with a prescription. The antiviral drug has been shown to curb the worst effects of COVID-19. Now at pharmacies that carry the medication, a pharmacist can screen patients for the drug.
It's been shown to decrease the severity of the illness and the number of days that you just really feel bad.
Dr. Marty Sharkey says hopefully this change will increase access to the medication. She says this drug is only for people who have an underlying medical condition or are over the age of 60. When you go to the pharmacy, you'll have to bring your medical records with you, including your lab work.
You need to make sure that your kidney function is within normal limits, that your liver function is normal, and also they need to be aware of all the drugs that you're on, looking for any interactions. It's best if you can go to your doctor who knows you the best and has your complete medical record, but understanding at times that's not feasible.
Here at Medical Arts Pharmacy in Fayetteville, they are one of only a handful of pharmacies in our area that carries the medication. One of the pharmacists says the medication is in such high demand that they are actually out of it right now. Pharmacist Julie Stewart says when Paxlovid first arrived several months ago, the demand was extremely low. They went about a month without dispensing the drug.
We normally see like a lot of Tamiflu and during flu season. We feel like this is kind of comparable in terms of the number of courses that we're dispensing a day.
The medication is free for both patient and pharmacy, but Stewart says it still takes a lot of time for pharmacists to consult with patients who come in without a prescription.
We may have a couple of days where we only dispense a couple of courses, and there may be one day where we dispense 6 or 8. And so we just, getting the timing right for having it in stock sometimes is a little bit difficult to predict.
In Fayetteville, covering news where you live, Catherine Gilker, 5 News.
The medical experts we spoke with today say in some cases, Paxlovid has given people what's known as rebound COVID. That's when a person will take all the pills, test negative, but then test again positive at a later time.